Hey, I hope you're doing well. So this is just a quick video just to talk about, and my editor will enjoy this one, hiring remote workers. I've just saw someone ask a question about this and I thought I'd just actually do a very quick video. Here's my tips. If you're a business leader and you want to hire people, especially in another country and culture. So the first thing to do is you want to make sure that you're actually hiring a real person, not a team of people, not a scammer. There's various ways of doing that. Simplest way is interview them on Zoom if they speak your language. I always recommend that if you're not sure, you test a few different people. It's cheap and easy. Get them to do a little bit of stuff for you. I recommend paying them. If you're getting people from Upwork or PeoplePerHour, etc., just get them to do a little bit of work. Explain what you want and that you're going to be doing a little bit of work just to see how you get on, and you can pick the best person or people. It might take a few iterations to find the right person. You need to be considerate of internet outages, so weather or political issues that might impact on the person's work, and plan for those. I think most importantly, you need to be respectful of other people's culture, language differences, and expectations around timescales. If you don't do that, you're setting yourself up to fail. And spend some time learning about different people's cultures. It's really interesting, and it will really help get better quality work from the team. When it comes to processes, I strongly recommend you build out standard operating procedures that are quite detailed, and you get the people to follow them and update them and add to them themselves. If you give people too much freedom, you may not get the quality of work that you expect. So be very clear on what the expectations are that you have, and by doing that, you should get really good work. If you're writing a job advert on PPH or Upwork, etc., don't just write generic stuff. Be very quite specific about the kind of person that you're looking for and what you might like them to do in the longer term and how much the time commitment you might like them to have might be in the future. Because if you do that, you're much more likely to find someone that writes a personal response that's much more suitable for what you need. If you write a very generic HR advert, you're going to get a load of noise, waste a lot of time. You need to consider, especially in the EU and the UK, data protection, GDPR. So you want to limit people's access to only the information they need access to. You could give them a virtual desktop to work on if you wanted. But really, you want to make sure that you're limiting their permissions to protect both them and the business, because obviously it's much harder if somebody's working in another country to deal with legal issues. So you want to be sure that you only give them the access they actually need to do their job. So yeah, that's it really. The very best of luck. There's some brilliant people out there. There's brilliant opportunities to find great people if you look throughout the entire world. And why wouldn't you do that now? You don't need to be stuck with people that live within 5 miles of your office. So I hope that helps. If you've got any thoughts, ideas, comments, do let me know. Thanks for watching.